speed cleaning while vacuuming. Should you vacuum fast or should you vacuum slow? We're going to talk about that today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question and I get to help you find an answer. Now today's show is brought to us by housecleaning360.com, and that is a referral hub that connects house cleaners with homeowners. So if you need a house cleaner, go to housecleaning360.com. And if you are a house cleaner, you want to go there and you want to list your business so that people can find you when they search. All right, on to today's show, which comes from a house cleaner who wants to know, should I be doing speed cleaning while I'm vacuuming or should I slow down? Does my vacuum pick up more stuff if I go slowly than if I go fast and I vacuum really fast? What's the answer? Now, I get to help you find an answer. That's what I promised. I never promised you the answer. I promised I would get to help you find an answer, and I don't have an answer for that question. I've reached out to some vacuum manufacturers to see if they could answer that question for me, and I'm waiting on my responses back from them. I'm reaching out now to you, the general population. Is there anybody out there that makes vacuum cleaners that can tell us an honest, true, proven method if I vacuum slow or if I vacuum fast? Is it more effective? Here's what I know about vacuums. I know that rugs and carpets do better when they're vacuumed regularly. So my guess would be that even if you are speed cleaning and you are vacuuming quickly, if you have a good vacuum that has great suction, as you vacuum over the carpet, it's going to pick up the stuff. Whether you go fast or whether you go slow, it's got some suction power to it. But if you're vacuuming 2 and 3 times a week, as most homeowners do, right? We vacuum our floors 2 and 3 times a week, right? If you're vacuuming your floors a couple of times a week, you're going to be getting up loose soil that you tracked in on your shoes or that the dog tracked in from outside. And if there's pet hair and there's dander and there's dust and stuff like that, you're going to be picking up a lot of that. And if it misses, you might pick it up on the next go around a couple of days later. So my suggestion would be vacuum a couple of days a week just to make sure that you're picking up all that stuff and keeping the longevity of your carpets. Now, if you are a house cleaner and you're only there once every couple of weeks, I don't know that it makes a big difference to go fast versus slow. But what I do know is that we train people in house cleaning to be as efficient as possible. And by efficient, I also mean effective. If you're just speed cleaning, but the quality of your work is suffering, then you really haven't done anyone any favors by racing through your tasks. But if you are efficient at what you do and you are effective, and the key is to be efficient and effective and not do stuff twice. So if something is already clean, don't clean it again. The more you clean something, it doesn't make it any more clean. Now, if you have a flashlight and you're looking over the top of the countertops, you've wiped everything down, you've sanitized everything, there are no crumbs, you're not going to make it any cleaner by keep going over it, right? It's like boiling water. If you keep boiling the water, it doesn't boil it anymore. Once it's reached a certain temperature, it's boiling. So it's the same concept in cleaning. So if you are efficient and you are effective, and you can do that even if you are vacuuming quickly. And the key is to make the lines on the carpet so that you can see where you've been. And if you've missed some gaps, well, then you've missed some gaps. You need to go back and do that part again. But the carpet thing is fun because then we can see where we've been and we can see our progress. And then the secret is vacuum your way out of a room so that you don't track stuff back in over that carpet. So vacuuming fast or slow, what's the answer? The answer to that, I don't know. I really don't know. I love the question. I don't know. So if you have an answer, please leave it in the show notes for us, either on the podcast or the YouTube video. We would love to hear what you have to say. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.